All right, guys. Well, we have gotten an update for the septic. As you can see, he has started digging. As of right now, he actually has the tank in place and is about to come out and install the leach field, which is all the pipe that I just showed you back there. And let's take a look. So this is our 1,000-gallon dual tank cement or concrete septic tank, and he's got it all set, leveled out in place. And those two black cylinders that I showed you earlier, those are for the risers, so you can access the two lids. And yeah, looks awesome. Mr. Dave, he has that big old excavator, man, and he knows what he's doing, so it's looking really good. And then he also has the pipe that's going to be connecting the septic tank to the leach field, and the leach field starts the septic reserve area, but that flicker of orange paint right there is where he's going to start, and he's going to make his runs in there, which is our septic reserve area back there. Yeah, guys, this is really exciting. This has been a long time coming, and we're really just blessed and thankful for Mr. Dave for doing this job for us. So this is, like I said, this is the first part. This evening he's supposed to come out and get the leach field in, and Lord willing, the next day or two it should be ready for inspection. So I'll pick the camera up in a couple days when he's all finished up. Well, everybody, there goes my forester mulch field. That's okay, it was worth it. Septic is installed. Everything has been inspected, it passed inspection on first try, and it is good to go. And as you can see, I need to take the tractor and pull the trailer and do, Leah said we ought to do a rock pickup party. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we'll plant some more grass. But as you can see, that's where the septic tank was when I took the video the other day. He put the two risers in it, and then the caps, and then the main from the septic comes right out here, and this is the corner of the septic reserve area. And then the first run in the leach field, because it has to stay, you can't run downhill, you have to run with the contour, so it goes like this. So there's a 25-foot run, and then there's two 40-foot runs right here, all in tandem. It's all one. It totals up to like 104 feet. So he did an amazing job, and I'm really thankful. It's hard to believe. I mean, really, it's been a blessing. It's been a slow and steady pace building, and everything around it. But the biggest advice I can give you is pay cash as you go. Save up for the job, pay for it, get it done. And you just keep putting more equity into your land. And I mean, when we bought this piece, it was 100% woods. It had a dirt lane, the second half of our lane, and it had no well, had no septic. All it had was a percolation test. And in the course of these last couple of years, we've cleared the land. We improved the lane, improved the entrance. We cleared a build site. We cleared the back mulch field for the septic. Septic's in, and we're just keep rolling along. The next update for you guys is next week we should be getting our building permit and grading permit approved. I put those in to the county office almost 2 weeks ago, and I actually just had a little meeting with the guy after work today, and he had a couple things we had to change, and got those letters to him, the changes that need to be done to him, and he believes that we will have it ready to go end of next week. So it's really exciting. Dave Fry, the fellow that did the septic and all of our other grading. Of course, he's going to do the grading permit for us, and he's going to grade the build site area for the house, and then we're just going to move along right into the foundation. So I mean, it's exciting. It's really something else. So we just do appreciate you guys watching. I'm happy, you know, I wish I could have gotten some more footage of Dave putting in the septic, but like I said, I work a full-time job. He works during the day, so pictures and a couple of short videos is all you get. But the end result is we have a septic, a finished septic tank and leach field installed on our property, and now the only thing's holding us back is to build the house. So we're just really excited. We do appreciate you guys watching. I'll keep you guys in tune with what's going on. Got a really cool video the next video after this one that you're going to see is really cool. There's a company that we're working with, and I'm going to make a really cool video about their product, hopefully in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. And if you did like it, give it a like, consider subscribing, share it, turn on the notification bell. And I just again thank you for all you do, and have a blessed day.